Namaste. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Manifest with Madhuri. Today I am going to share about how to control high blood pressure. The emotional cause for high blood pressure is long standing problem not solved. So, the healing affirmation is I joyously release the past, I am at peace. You can chant this in your free time as much as you can. And it is effective when you chant this before going to sleep in the night. Chant this 11 times. I joyously release the past, I am at peace. I joyously release the past, I am at peace. I joyously release the past, I am at peace. I joyously release the past, I am at peace. I joyously release the past, I am at peace. I joyously release the past, I am at peace. I joyously release the past, I am at peace. I joyously release the past, I am at peace. I joyously release the past, I am at peace. I joyously release the past, I am at peace. I joyously release the past, I am at peace. This 11 times. And the healing code for high blood pressure, to control high blood pressure, is 8863292. Give space as shown here. Write with a blue ink pen or red ink pen. I have used blue here. Stick this type of piece of paper beside your bed, or you can keep that piece of paper under your pillow or beneath your bed, and write on your left part of your body, as left part is the receiving part for healings. In addition to this, you can write on your water bottle, as water has the property to absorb the healings of these healing numbers. You charge your water bottle with these healing numbers by writing on a piece of paper with blue ink pen or red ink pen and stick on your water bottle. Or you can write with a marker on your water bottle this healing code 88-63-292. Please don't stop your regular medicines. This is an alternative therapy. This works well along with your regular medicines. Thank you. See you all in my next video. Bye.